Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video I'm going to talk about a very interesting stock, and we will see it particularly listing in two different exchanges. So the name of the bank is Deutsche Bank. So this is the chart of Deutsche Bank, which is been traded in the German index. Then we will move on to the same company listed in NYSE. So this is the Deutsche Bank chart, and if you probably see, and I will tell you that it's not only about the chart pattern analysis and all that, but why I have suddenly chosen this bank, and what's the thesis or what's the thinking behind choosing this stock. And it's very simple, and since 2014, after, you can probably say after 2014 onwards, everybody is talking about the collapse of Deutsche Bank and the way the price has fallen down, because everybody knows the kind of derivatives positions they are holding across the world, and nobody knows the actual value. Obviously, it's in trillions. So, how many trillions or how much trillions, nobody knows. But if you just look at the charts, what you probably see is the charts are moving, inside a channel which is sliding downwards. But the kind of sharp moves which are happening, it's very interesting, because if you probably see, this is the end of 2008 crisis, and within a span of around a year, it has moved up 290 odd percent. Then since 2016 till 2017, probably in couple of months, in 212 days odd, it has moved to 250%. So does the same thing will happen again, and it will move 200 odd percent, which has happened in the past years. And according to the pattern which you will see, it may probably happen here. Now we will look at the stock which is listed in NYSE, and what we have probably much more data than the previous one here. Okay, so this is what you find out. This is the range. This is a drastic slide, and this is one of the biggest and one of the oldest banks we are talking about. There is no line in the fact. So let me just make the chart patterns, and then I will share my thesis and why I have suddenly chosen this stock. It's not only about technical analysis, but something which could probably happen with this bank, which maybe, I don't know, it's good for some time or a short span of time, but what will be the implications in the near future, I don't know about that. So basically you will see that it has hit the support level, and it's on the way to 10 bucks, or 9.79 to 10 bucks. And if it probably moves beyond 10.5, it will probably touch 17 odd. So this is the position of the chart which I have shown in NYSE as well as in German index. But one thing that why I have chosen this stock is, now Bank of Japan has already announced that they are going to pump in the liquidity with no limit on the upside. So they are basically supporting the levels. And in this current month, as I am recording this video on 28th of April 2020, so you will probably see that the same kind of moves which probably may come from Fed and the ECB. So if the same thing happens, and if they intervene, till now they are in bonds, but if by any means they will interfere or intervene into the stock market and they will start purchasing equities, then there is a chance, or there is a very high probability that the stock might move up and it will break the vicious cycle on the downside. Now, pumping in liquidity or nationalizing an institution is one thing, but what could be the probable implications, because the impact of those positions which they have or the kind of accounts they have, probably nobody knows, because the legacy of the banks is more than 100 years. So nobody knows that what's inside the bank. So that's the actual problem. And if things get worse, which probably will in some near future, because if uh, the main word is if. So if ECB and Fed or even one of them could probably decide to enter into the equity market and start purchasing the stocks and nationalizing the institutions, it will in the short term obviously be a big boost for the stocks, but in the long run you will probably see the implications, because if the institutions are weak and regularly debasing the currency has its own impact. So if you are not going down by depression or deflation, probably sometime in the future, I don't know when will it happen, but sometime when the velocity will increase, you will see there is an inflation coming up and everything pops out like a popcorn on a frying pan. So that's going to happen. But till then, so my thesis is based on some probabilities. So if some things are happen, you will probably see the downside may probably end and it will move on the upside, and you will see a probable jump in the share price in the near future. But the thing is, if this thing happen, then this will happen. So we will wait for the decisions which probably comes out in this week, and we will take the decisions accordingly, or takes or make a thesis accordingly. And second thing, that it will go up. Third thing, when we have ample amount of liquidity, obviously we do have in the next 1 year, then, and if the fear of this pandemic decreases, as and when it decreases, flatten out. Remember, the same thing happened in World War I. People or economies debasing currency. That time, couple of or a few countries are debasing the currencies. Now everybody is printing money and debasing their own currencies. So it will have an impact. It will have probably have a negative impact on the currency, and the way it moves, the way stock moves. I don't know what will happen in the future, but it will in the near future, probably in the next 2 to 5 years, I would probably say. This will be a big turnaround for the stock, probably. I'm not sure, but based on my thesis, when the economy or the central bank start buying your stock, it will probably happen, and for the time being, it will save the institution. So that's the end of the video. I hope you find it interesting, and if you do indeed find it interesting, do share and like the video, share your thoughts, and for this kind of interesting content, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and take care of your family and friends.